Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is Advent Day 2 and Phoebe and I are so excited waiting on to open our packages. She's sitting right off camera just staring at me. But she has been all over my desk. She's seen me get this bag and set it up here and she knows what's in that bag. So I'm a fast learner, huh? So yesterday I opened day 1's bag and had a little ball of turquoise yarn, and so you can see up here that I made a little stocking, and Elijah fixed this door for me. It was just an old door that we had that was in storage, and so Elijah took it and cleaned it up a little bit and strung twine here and hung a little Santa here and a Santa over there. And I made a stocking to hang right there. And so each day when I get my ball of yarn, I will be creating a stocking to add to this. So next year I will have this as like an advent calendar with 25 little stockings on it. So that's something to look forward to. And Phoebe is so ready for her treat. But first I do want to show you that I took Elijah took and made my stitch marker from the little ugly sweater charm. He added a lever back thing on there and made that stitch marker. So that's really cool to get to use that this month. I'm going to lay it over here so I don't knock it off. But I think Phoebe is ready. Are you ready to open your bag and see what you got? Let's dig in here and see. Oh, Phoebe, what are we going to get today? I think she is ready. What are we going to get? Oh, here's a baggie. Let's see what you got, Phoebe. Are you excited? All right, Phoebe. It's a little Santa Claus bag. Look at here, Phoebe. Oh, look at there. Oh, look what you got. And she is off. I think she is very excited about that. And so let me dig in my bag over here and find number 2. Oh, there's number 2. So I got number 2 bag. And let's see what's in this bag. Oh, Phoebe's finished hers and come back for mine. Oh. So there is some reddish pink white yarn. That'll make a really pretty stocking. You see the color on it? Yeah, I can make a little stocking with this today and add it to the door so you can see it tomorrow. And the other thing in the bag is, it's mine, baby, a candy cane, a pink candy cane that looks like I want to fight Phoebe over. Alright, so I'll get that little stocking made today. And this morning I did read Luke chapter 2, and yeah, if you're not reading, a chapter a day and that, you might want to just consider doing that, just to remind yourself and what the, holiday season is really all about. So it was nice reading that and just taking it in. And so I did make a little angel. I didn't put a face on her because I like the look of the, like willow tree creations. They don't have faces, so I kind of like that non-face. And actually my husband is going to town right now, and he is going to get me something to put in the bottom of this. I have some things in there right now that would work, but I want to see if he can find something different. So he is going to town to look for that now. And I'm recording a tutorial for this, so that will be up a little bit later. And I'm also going to do Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, and probably some of the wise men and different people. So look for this tutorial pretty soon. But anyway, that is our day 2 of our Advent openings, Phoebe. It's hard just getting one treat, isn't it, baby? She's sitting over here waiting to see if she gets another treat. But she's going to have to wait till tomorrow, Phoebe. Okay? She'll be on day 15 by lunch. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all again tomorrow.